These are the Rhye Jacket earrings by Jenny Bird, and they are a two-toned metal. The horizontal bar is gold and the circle is silver, and I feel like because of the fact that it is two-toned, it goes so well with everything, and it's just one of those pieces that you don't have to think about. They are pretty dainty, so they look very elegant, but because of the fact that they're so unique, they give a bit more of a statement than a regular dainty earring.
Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more about this item and try it before you buy, head on over to fromthelobby.com. You'll pay $0 at checkout and only be charged for what you keep after 14 days. While you're there, you can watch and shop hundreds of video reviews from all your favorite brands. More details and links in the description below.